start. It is probable that there was much more interest 300 years ago in the first adding machine ever made. Full stop. The first machine was made by a young man in the attempt to lessen the labors of his father, who was responsible for taxation and who worked long hours adding up figures. Full stop. Further machines followed, and it is interesting to note that all those early machines were made by people working by themselves, all on their own. Full stop. In these days, the usual thing is for organized workers to act together in such matters. Full stop. Paragraph. The first machine could work only addition or take away sums, but in a few years a machine was made that could be used for division, and that represented a most important step in the development of such machines. Full stop. Paragraph. The quick development of this country during the machine age, 100 or more years ago, brought with it a growing demand for adding machines. Full stop. Business and industrial growth took place side by side with the growth in the size of the banks and the increased use of the credit system. Full stop. It was natural that the time soon came when most banks and offices could not think of operating without the help of adding machines. Full stop. Paragraph. Now we have machines that can do the most surprising and difficult pieces of work. Full stop. Difficult sums that might take a man a year or more to do are carried out in a matter of minutes. Full stop. If the machine goes wrong, it knows that it has done so, and it takes action to put things right. Full stop. These machines are said to have a memory, semicolon. They are even said by some to think. Full stop. In fact, some man somewhere has to do the thinking first, and the machine acts afterwards according to that man's instructions. Full stop. It cannot act by itself but can do only what it is told to do. Full stop. It cannot, therefore, be said to have a mind and to be able to think. Full stop. The machine can, however, store facts and figures and make use of them later. Full stop. And in that way it perhaps can be said to have a memory. Full stop. The machines are certainly wonderful, but in our daily lives we hardly give them a thought. Full stop. They represent just one of so many remarkable things, after all. Full stop.